This video explains how to select rows of a pandas data frame by their index using the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a very first step, we need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we also need to create an example data frame using the data frame constructor. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame called data is created. And we can print this data frame below the code box using the print function. And then you can see that our data frame contains 5 rows and the 3 columns x1, x2 and x3. Now let's assume that we want to return only one of the rows in our data frame by the index position of this row. Then we can apply the iloc attribute, as you can see in the third code box. And we can subset our data set using square brackets. And within these square brackets, we need to specify the index positions that we want to return. So in this case, we want to return the row with the index position 3. So after running this line of code, a new output is returned. And as you can see, this output shows only the row at the third index position of our input data frame. It's also possible to return multiple rows based on their index positions, as I will show you in the next line of code. So once again, I'm using the iloc attribute. However, this time I'm specifying multiple values after the iloc attribute. So in this case, I want to return the index positions 1, 3 and 4. And as you can see, after running this line of code, another data frame subset is returned, which shows exactly these 3 rows. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.